Want to build the next big investing app? This DriveWealth review covers my experience with their powerful brokerage infrastructure. DriveWealth empowers fintechs, institutions, and startups to offer investment services without the hassle of managing their own brokerage. It seamlessly integrates with various apps and platforms, perfect for building solutions from scratch or expanding existing services. Fractional shares make investing accessible to everyone, letting users buy pieces of even the priciest stocks. DriveWealth's API-based infrastructure gives developers robust tools to embed trading, account management, and portfolio analysis directly into their apps. Built-in compliance and regulatory support are vital for operating in the financial world. Advanced encryption and strict compliance standards protect user data and transactions. Whether you're a fintech entrepreneur, startup, or established institution, DriveWealth provides a reliable backend for brokerage services. It's especially useful for companies outside the US wanting access to American markets, simplifying cross-border trading. The intuitive trading interface makes daily operations smooth and efficient. Remember, DriveWealth is a back-end service, not a retail app. If you're a developer or business integrating stock trading, DriveWealth is excellent. Individual investors will likely access it through partner apps. Fractional trading, API integration, and robust compliance make DriveWealth a top choice for building or expanding investment platforms. Want to streamline your trading services? Explore DriveWealth, links are below.